Right, to make a bed, I'm taking all the dirty stuff off. I am trying to work around the cat. I check the under blankets and make sure they're clean, and I straighten them and tuck them all in nice and tight. Then I get my bottom sheet, which is a fitted sheet, and it's been folded nicely. I find the top and pull it down, tuck it right under, so the corner matches the corner on the sheet. This is a queen bed, so I'm using a queen sheet, so it fits perfectly. Ideally, you want to use the right size sheets for the right beds. You can change your sheets every couple of weeks. It depends on if you've got a tradesman who gets all sweaty sleeping in the bed, or whether it's just a grandmother like myself and I don't get all that sweaty and I have a shower. So teenage boys are a lot smellier, you know, so boys often need to change their pillowcases a lot more often. If you get smelly pillowcase, what you need to do is rub it with dishwashing liquid. Rub the smelliest part with dishwashing liquid, and then soak it in some baking soda and water and soak it overnight. So to put the top sheet on, I look at the line down the middle to get it even, and I go round and round and I tuck in the end, and I'm making nurse's corners there. You lift it up, tuck the corner, then tuck that over. If you slow that down, you'll be able to see if you don't know how to do it. Because it's summer, I'm just putting a thin blanket on top. This blanket was on before, but I always smell everything when it comes out of the washing machine before it goes into the washing machine, and that will tell you if something's properly clean or not. If there's any sweaty smell, it depends on the fabric, of course, but it probably needs to be washed again. Drying things in the sunshine is best. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe. It helps me so much. Thank you so much for watching. I make videos to help people who struggle with mess and clutter and cleaning, so please share my video with anyone that you can think of that might be struggling in the same way. And thank you so much for watching.